I have great news for you, and you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can apply for a $10,000 ad grant by Google. Yes, so Google is actually giving out this $10,000. Hey, you guys don't want to miss it for anything. $10,000? Yes. Up for grabs. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching all the way till the end. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can apply for these grants step by step. So just come with me. Let's go. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I like to know you. I like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from depths of my heart. And if you're a Patreon member of this community, Kilo Shele Gongono, thank you. I see every single one of you. Thank you for your love. I see you and I truly appreciate you. And if you want to be part of my Patreon community, yes, you have an exclusive invite. You're hereby invited to join my Patreon community. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community is that you get a free one-to-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, scholarships, and everything in between. Not only that, I also share a lot of grants information on my Patreon community that don't even make it here to my YouTube channel or channels. Yes, for those of you that know me. Okay, guys, without further ado, just come with me. Let's go. How to apply for this $10,000 powered by Google. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Oh my goodness, I have not introduced myself. I am so sorry. Okay, while you guys introduce yourselves, my first timers, yes, if you're new to this channel, you think I'll forget, introduce yourselves in the comments. I like to know you. I like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? So my name is Mariam. I'm a wife. I'm based here in California. I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you guys 3 videos every week. It's all about helping you guys secure the bag on this channel. We are not here to sleep. We are here to win, and not just win. No, we are here to win real big. So don't even sleep on it and don't touch the dial. So if you have not shared this video yet, go ahead and do the needful. Share this video with your friends and your village members. We want them to win as well. And if you have not liked this video yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. And if you have not joined the family, God is watching you. My God is watching you. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, so that you get notified each time, and also turn on the notification bell so that you're notified of opportunities, grants, how to make money, and what have you. Yes, so me, I'm carrying my people along. I don't know about you, but yes, go ahead and join the family in case you have not. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, Google Ad Credit is here to help boost your non-profit organization's marketing efforts. Yes, up to $10,000 in kind advertising every month. You get this $10,000 in ad grants every month. Yes, so I am not kidding you, and it's powered by Google. And guess what? You can actually use it to recruit volunteers and increase donations. Yes, so what you need to do is sign up online. They actually believe that you're changing the world and they are here to help you. So you can get started by following these simple steps I'm going to be sharing with you. Number 1 is to apply for Google non-profits. Yes, once you have verified your organization's eligibility, then you'll be able to activate the Google Ad Grant. Now, your organization must hold valid charity status in your country. You can check the eligibility requirements and apply for the Google for non-profits. So, and you can also watch the step-by-step video to understand the application. Yes, end to end. Now, the next thing you need to do is to activate your ad grants. Yes, so you will need to use the same login email for your Google for non-profits and ad grants accounts. So what you need to do is sign into Google for non-profits. So you have to click on activate ad grants. Yes, and you will need to use the same login, like I said, for your Google for non-profits and ad grants account. Then you sign into Google for non-profits. Now click on activate products. Yes, then click on get started. Now under the Google ad grants, you have to complete the required information and click activate to submit your organization for review. Number 3 is to launch a successful ad grants campaign. Now, once your organization or your activation has been approved and you've accepted the email invitation that you received to your ad grants account, then you can begin setting up your first campaign. So head over to their step-by-step video series to plan, build, and launch your first digital marketing campaign with Google Ad Grants. And guess what? You can get it every month. $10,000 every month. Yes, so they've actually seen double-digit % increases in their online fundraising for each of the past, all the years that people have been using it, and they really attribute it to ad grants. Now, this is the help that you need at your fingertips. Guys, go ahead and raise the awareness, attract donors, and recruit new volunteers using the Google Ad Grants. Now, Google Ad Grants, they show your messages to people that are searching for non-profits like your own. So each qualifying non-profit has access to up to $10,000 every month in search ads shown in the google.com. Now, but if you want to purchase additional Google ads, that's up to you. So additional Google ads can also be purchased in a separate account. So you can start with the ad grants in those 3 steps. Go ahead and click here to get started. What are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead, I've done all the homework for you. Head over to the link in my description, click on it, and start to apply as quickly as possible. You can get $10,000 every month in ad grants. Yes, you heard it from this channel first. In case you have not heard before, this is your chance, to get funding, yes, for your non-profit organization. And I hope you guys are going to take advantage of these opportunities that I'm sharing with you guys right here on this channel. Go ahead, do the needful. And also subscribe to my channel in case you have not. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. I'm going to be sharing a lot of grants here on this channel. I'm your grants queen. And please, if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to do all your research, to respond to all your questions for you. And yes, if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, by all means, please leave it in the comments. I'm working for you guys. I mean, the goal is for you guys to win and win real big. I want to see a lot of winners, grants winners emerge from this channel. Yes, I share a lot of grants videos, and I also share how to make money online on this channel. If you want to see more of make money online videos, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more of grants videos, I mean free money that you're not paying back, let me know as well in the comments. It's your girl Mariam, and of course I'm rooting for you guys like every single time. I'm your girl Mariam. And of course, if anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Now, this is for all my Patreon members. You guys are amazing. Thank you for being, you guys are just the best. Thank you. I can't wish for better Patreons than you guys. Thank you. And if you want to be part of my Patreon community, you are hereby invited to be a part of it. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon membership is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me, and you can also get access to lots of grants, lots of grants on my Patreon community that doesn't even make it here to my YouTube channel. Yes, so that's about it. Yes, so please go ahead and still apply for all these grants, even if you think that you don't qualify. And please head over to my channel, check out the previous videos that I've uploaded here on this channel, and start to watch them. Please note that when you apply for one grant, it's not a guarantee that you get a grant. So please try to apply for multiple grants and use my strategy, how I got my first grant. In case you're wondering how I got my first grants, I can either tell you the story in the comments, or you can head over to my previous videos where I've shared it a lot of times, how I got my first grant and how I was taking everything down in a journal. And I hope that helps and inspires someone today to take the next step towards making their dreams become a reality. I remain your girl Mariam. Do not forget, let me know if you have any comments, questions for me, or if you need me to do a research to your specification, let me know. I'm more than happy to do all the researches for you guys. So I see you guys again in my next video. Keep winning and keep sparkling. And just in case anyone is doubting how far you can go, by all means, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. I said so. Alright guys, take care, keep winning and keep sparkling. Take care. Shine bright like the diamonds that you are. Bye guys.